Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk control arms used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. You must remove the wheels in order to change the control arms on your vehicle. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Remove the safety pin from the suspension ball joint. Brush and spray the nut holding the suspension ball joint with penetrating oil. Then unscrew the nut using a 17mm spanner. Using a ball joint puller, release the suspension ball joint from the stub axle. Then, unscrew the screw holding the front silent block of the control arm using a 17mm spanner. Brush the screw holding the rear silent block on the control arm and spray it with penetrating oil. Unscrew it using a socket wrench and a 17mm socket. Then remove the screw. Using a crowbar, lever all of the control arm from the steering knuckle. You can now remove the control arm by pulling on it and moving back and forth. Start by brushing and lubricating the location of the control arm silent blocks to facilitate the installation. Apply silicone grease to the flat part that will be in contact with the suspension ball joint sleeve.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new control arm. Put the new control arm in place. Start by inserting the back part and sliding it into its housing. Put the rear silent block screws back in place and roughly screw it back on. Pivot the control arm to put the front part into the housing. Reinsert the suspension ball joint. It may be necessary to lever it in so that it goes in properly. Put the front silent block screw back in place and roughly screw it back on. Screw the suspension ball joint nut back on. Then finish tightening with a torque wrench. Take the new key and put it in place within the castellated nut. Bend the pin using a screwdriver. Finish tightening the rear silent block screw using a torque wrench. To avoid damaging the front silent block, you need to tighten the retaining screw with the suspension arm in the vehicle on the ground position. So lift the control arm with a jack. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Remove the jack. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.